Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use commands in Minecraft whether you're playing on Java Edition or Bedrock Edition. Commands can help you teleport, change time, give yourself items, and much more. Let's get started. First, you need to enable cheats. If you're creating a new world, simply toggle Allow Cheats to on in the world options before loading in. If you're already in a world, press ESC, click Open to LAN, toggle Allow Cheats on, and then click Start LAN World. Now you can use commands. On Bedrock, Mobile, Console, Windows 10, go to your world settings. Before entering the world, scroll down and toggle on Activate Cheats. This allows you to use commands just like in Java Edition. Keep in mind, enabling cheats will disable achievements for that world. Now that cheats are enabled, press T on PC or tap the chat icon on mobile console to open the command bar. Commands always start with a //. Examples: time set day, changes the time to day, game mode creative, switches to creative mode, give 8p diamond sword, gives you a diamond sword, then press enter to run the command. Use at P for the nearest player, add a for all players. Press the up arrow to repeat your last command. Use tab on PC to autocomplete command names or item IDs. Many commands work the same in both Java and Bedrock. You can even use commands to teleport, summon mobs, or enchant items. And that's it. Now you know how to enable cheats and use commands in Minecraft Java and Bedrock editions. If this helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment what command you want to learn next. Thanks for watching and have fun mastering your Minecraft world.